Hello, everyone. I'm Rebecca Bickham, editor of Materials Performance Magazine. Today, I'm joined by Ed Cruft, CEO of American Innovations. Thank you so much for joining us today, Ed.
Oh, thank you so much for having us, Rebecca. We're looking forward to it.
It's my pleasure. So, as technology continues to advance, we're seeing it being integrated more and more into the industry. Can you tell us about how we're seeing the cathodic protection workflow changing with digitization?
I can, yes, definitely. I think the goal of cathodic protection is very clear, right? We want safety is the number one priority, keeping people in the environment safe. The professionals making that happen, I think that's goal number one. Compliance and efficiency. So being able to do more with less is really, really important, particularly now. So automating this workflow and helping the cathodic protection professionals is all about capturing the right data at the right time, in the right place, accurately, right? The goal being no need to go back and visit that asset again because I know I was in the right place. I was using the latest GPS technology. Uh, my asset management software package has told me, hey, you need to go survey these assets by a certain time, so you're there at the right time, and you're using tools built specifically for cathodic protection to make sure you're taking the right data and you're getting it done accurately.
So, with that being said, what kind of products does American Innovations offer to help with these changes in the industry?
So American Innovations looks at the entire workflow, and we think about it from the field all the way to the enterprise and then back. You can almost think about it like a circle. So from the field to the enterprise. So we have the mobile field data collection hardware, meaning the measurement device and the industrial tablet, and we have the software, and this enables that safety, compliance, and efficiency on the data collection side. So we take that data, we combine it with remote monitoring data that the industry is accustomed to monitoring rectifiers and test points and bonds. We transmit that data back through cellular and satellite radios, and we can bring it to the cloud, or we can actually bring it to the servers at your company. And we'll use that software to organize the data, to visualize it through maps or other types of charts and reports. We'll analyze it for compliance and safety, and then we'll drive action, right? So we'll basically indicate, hey, this particular measurement or this particular survey indicates you have an issue with your pipeline that we believe you need to go address.
And Ed, how do you see the workflow evolving in the future with this new
I
technology?
think the biggest difference we'll see, 3 to 5 years from now, what will become mainstream is this idea of being able to be much more proactive around managing your cathodic protection assets versus reactive. So today we continue to improve on that idea of collecting the right data at the right place at the right time. And then we respond to the results of that survey. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning, um, we're in the process of basically taking that collected data and having essentially computing uh, learn learn the history and learn what we did with that data to then be able to predict when issues will show up. So we think that ties directly to efficiency and safety. So if you're going out to do a survey and our software has indicated, hey, you've got a evolving problem that we think you need to address. Maybe you solve two problems with one visit to the field.
Is there anything else you'd like to share with our AMP audience today?
I think the only thing I would say is how much we enjoyed spending time with the AMP audience and cathodic protection professionals at the AMP conference and all the conferences throughout the United States. Had no idea how much we missed in-person meetings like that. We're kind of a tribal industry, right? Knowledge is shared through presentations and conferences, and I think those conferences and that FaceTime is essential for safety, compliance, and efficiency. So we've really, really enjoyed spending time with actual people again.
Absolutely. Well, this has been great. Thank you so much for sharing with us today, Ed.
Well, thank you for having us. I really appreciate it.
Again, today we were joined by Ed Cruft, CEO of American Innovations. To learn more about American Innovations and the products they offer, visit aiworldwide.com. I'm Rebecca Bickham, editor of Materials Performance Magazine. Thank you so much for watching.